Are they? Here, move out the way. I wanna. Okay. I need my camera pan down because I don't want to really get busted. Probably cut this first half off because these are taking a while. Yeah, these are hydraulic. Okay, bro, it just went up.
You can't tell it. There's nothing directional.
Hurry up, please. I don't want to be in here anymore. Where the heck is it? There's apparently another elevator here. What the heck was that chime? I'm not even gonna question that.
Going up.
Alright, let's see what the deal is with these. Alright.
Yeah, there's no direction.
Alright, be as quiet as possible. I don't know if these are hydraulic. Oh, they're not even hydraulic. Oh, that's what that is. It doesn't. It's just scraping.
Third floor. Going down.
I gotta say, for KONE, these are good quality. We're gonna stop.
Second floor.
If you don't hear the floor passing chime, that means we're stopping.
Yeah, up there it's just one.
Going down.
Where are you guys going?
We're going to wherever the car level is. Garage
Lobby?
level, lobby level.
Lower, the very bottom?
No, I don't.
No,
Yeah.
not the L, just the L.
Okay.
Well, we're not entirely sure.
See, I'm an elevator top.
First floor.
Is that it? We're gonna give it a whirl.
Going down.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
They have code loose things in here.
Yeah, that's a hospital thing.
Yep. Oh, there's an overload indicator here. Just to the voice.
Lower level.
That is very unique. Alright.
Check where the other one is.
Alright.
If it's not here, I'm not waiting for it.
Going up.
Okay, actually,
That sounds serious.
it's gonna be a while. Second, show damage. Nope, it just stopped on one. I want to hear that chime though. It's the only thing I want. It just went up to 3. I just saw it on 1. Alright.
This one doesn't have a voice. Pretty sure.
Out of the 4 here, this one doesn't have the voice.
And no chime either. I think think it does bicycle. I think it's sweet.
It does.
Yeah. I'm starting noticeably here.
Yeah, I've had.
What happened? How old are you?
37.
Oh, damn, never mind. I thought you were younger. I was like, oh, you probably got one here. Ah, she were my keys.
Yeah,
If you think
and I was
about
like, I
this,
think my name really got popular after The Lion King.
Probably.
Somebody asked me, you named after that? I'm like, I'm older than that movie.
That's wild if you said that. Did you really say that?
Yeah,
Girl.
that was a long time ago.
You can
You
literally.
guys getting off here?
Oh,
No.
no.
Oh.
I'm gonna press my floor.
I'll grab my phone too.
There it goes.
There's another one here.
Yeah, but that's the service. I'm not daring for that. Yeah, I've had enough of this place. That's it.